In this video, I'm going to show you how to add money to Shein Wallet. So it's actually quite simple. First, you want to go to Me, bottom right on the app, and then you want to tap on Wallet, which is up top. As you can see, there's a bunch of settings and it says Wallet. Now, once you go inside Wallet, as you can see, my total is 0.0 right now, and to actually add money on there, there's only one way to do that. So if I tap that question mark at the top right, as you can see, under what is my wallet, it says wallet credit may be provided to you when you return items that you purchased on the site or app in accordance with our return policy, and choose a wallet credit in lieu of refund for your original payment method. So what this means is essentially the only way to get money and to add money onto your Shein wallet is to actually, once you've ordered something, to cancel the order after you've paid for it, and then those payments and those credits will be essentially credited to your wallet inside Shein. And then you can use that credit inside your wallet to either buy new things, or you can withdraw them to your bank account or to your card. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.